Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on Hantec Markets. And if you want to stop loss, the first thing that you need to decide for yourself is which symbol you want to create a position on. So the first thing that we are going to do is go here to search and search, for example, for Bitcoin. So we go right here to Bitcoin versus US dollars, and then you will find right here the chart. Then right now we click here on new order, and then we fill in right here the position that we want to create. So let's do a volume of 0.01, and that is fine for now, and that is exactly 0.01 Bitcoin US dollar. Then right now, if you want to put a stop loss on this trade, we select right here the plus icon, and now if we zoom a little bit out, we can throw this to where we want it. But if you want to fill in right here just a number, then we can fill in right here something like 70k. And then right now, when this price will hit, you will automatically close the trade at 70k. Then right now, if you click here on buy by market, we created ourselves an order right here at positions with a SL stop loss at 70k. So this is exactly how you can put a stop loss right here on Hantec Markets. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.